the king feeling?
It's lovely to be back again.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's let him speak. We gotta let him speak.
I have.
All right, ladies
me
and
talk.
gentlemen,